subscribe to our channel.
7 Natural products to treat underarm odor. Although it's more of a cosmetic problem than a health concern, bad underarm odor is a real nuisance for the people who have to deal with it. The human body contains more than 2 million sweat glands, whose function is to regulate your temperature through sweat. Sweat, however, is food for bacteria, allowing them to grow out of control and creating unpleasant odors. For decades there have been commercially available deodorant and antiperspirant products that help you control underarm sweat and odors all day long. But for those people who prefer natural options, there are some simple and inexpensive solutions that will treat underarm odor without exposing your skin to any chemicals. Today we want to share the 7 best alternatives to completely rid you of this uncomfortable problem. 1. Lime juice and baking soda. When you combine lime juice and baking soda you get an ideal and all-natural mixture to reduce excess sweat and the bacteria that cause odors. In fact, it's also recommended for lightening the skin around the underarm area. 2. Pine water. The needles from pine trees have antibacterial properties and act as a natural antiperspirant to help control excessive sweating. 3. Aloe vera. The gel from the aloe plant has antibacterial and whitening qualities that will give you 2 benefits when it comes to the underarm area. On the one hand, it helps control odors, and on the other, it eliminates dead skin cells and blemishes. 4. Apple cider vinegar. This simple and natural deodorant with apple cider vinegar fights bacteria and excessive sweating. 5. Thyme and rosemary. A tea made with thyme and rosemary can be used as a rinse to control excessive sweating and the odors that usually accompany it. 6. Slices of potato. Potato slices can help cool the skin, reduce inflammation, and stop excessive sweating. 7. Cornstarch. Cornstarch is a highly absorbent product that can help you manage excessive sweating and control underarm odors. Try any of these natural products that will help you say goodbye to this annoying problem, while being kind to the environment. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.